Meet the Turin TrekBrew and TrekGrind. It's a complete espresso kit designed for coffee lovers on the move. Let's unbox this compact powerhouse and explore its components. First, we have a sturdy travel case, crafted to protect your gear during any adventure. Here's the heart of the kit, the portable espresso machine. Its compact design ensures that you can enjoy rich espresso wherever you are. The kit also includes essential accessories: a distributor and a tamper for even extraction, a dosing funnel to minimize mess, all in one compact design, a brush for easy cleaning, and a WD-T tool for declumping. Next, we have the hand grinder. With adjustable settings, it allows for precise control over your grind, which is essential for a perfect shot of espresso. The brewing stand provides a stable platform, ensuring consistency in your brewing process, even in the great outdoors. With the Turin TrekBrew and TrekGrind, you're equipped to craft exceptional espresso wherever your journey takes you. Elevate your outdoor coffee experience with this all-in-one portable espresso kit.